Hello, in this video we'll show you how to replace the serpentine belt on Nissan X-Trail 2 liters DCI. This car is using the 2 liters DCI engine and engine code M9R. The serpentine belt on this car is located on the side of the engine. It's located right there. To get access to the serpentine belt and the tensioner, we need to go underneath the car and remove this lower part of the wheel arch liner. This cover is held by a couple of clips that we need to remove. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. And now we have access to the serpentine belt and tensioner, and that's the tensioner right there. In order to loosen the belt, we need to turn the tensioner clockwise. For that, we're going to be using long wrench size 15. We're going to put the wrench onto the bolt of the tensioner pulley and just turn it clockwise, and we'll see the belt will get loosened, and then we can remove it. Here you can see the belt got loosened, so now I'm going to remove it from one of the pulleys. Then I'm going to return the tensioner to normal position and remove my wrench, and now remove the serpentine belt. Before I put on the new belt, first I'll show you a diagram of the routing of that belt. And now I'm going to put on the new serpentine belt. This is it, and that's the part number for it. First I'm going to put the belt here underneath, then I'm gonna go on top of the car and put the belt around the pulleys that are easier to access from top. And at the end I'll come back here and turn the tensioner to put on the belt on the last pulley. So here on top of the car I'll put the serpentine belt around those two pulleys. And now I'm gonna go again on bottom of the car and put the belt around the rest of the pulleys. and that's the belt on around all the pulleys, so that means the serpentine belt has been replaced. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.